But this is my official monitor video. Oh, you smell like monitor water. Welcome to my channel and join me as I video everything that I am passionate about, from reptiles to jet skis and basically anything in between. Some of you may be familiar with Jax, but I'm going to go ahead and not leave Jaxie out and put some footage of her in this video. But I've had Jax. She is a nerd water monitor, Varan and Salvatore, just a standard macro. I've really enjoyed taking care of her and interacting with her and training her, and well, here's some Jax footage.
That's a really big world out there. My goodness.
First steps outside. Look at you, so brave.
What'd you see? Are the flags freaking you out? Yeah? It's got some flags going on. Oh, no flags.
Okay, we're kind of okay with this on off, but the flags are really kind of freaking us out. Where are you? There you go. Hi. Alright, everyone. Well, this is Dexter. You've met him in one of my previous videos, is the main meet and greet video, but this is my official monitor video. Oh, you smell like monitor water. So now he's got his tail like stuck. Hey, you're right. Gotta work with you. Come up. You gotta come up? He's a black dragon and he is from the Netherlands. So this is he's a European import, as well as an absolute dream to work with. I've always wanted a black dragon just personally as a pet. He owns me now, I don't own him. But I've always wanted one as a pet. I feel like I'm wearing more dirt than he is. I'm actually very, very impressed with how he's progressing. It's kind of tough. He's still in quarantine. We're working through that. So the quarantine enclosure gives him a little bit more security, and it helps me deal with, you know, his flightiness. He's definitely like a cat, but he's a great dude considering all the shipping that he's been through. And you'll be seeing Dexter a lot more in my videos. This is Zap. Zap is spunky. Zap has bitten me probably about 10 times now. And we're making a little bit of progress, but because Zap is a first generation CB from an Axanthic wild-caught female and a black dragon wild-caught male, this is the first iteration, or at least I believe the first iteration of a double het Axanthic black dragon hatchling, and she's about as wild, or I'm gonna call it she. It is about as wild as you can get. And so her name, Zap, fits very well. She's spunky, I love her. I look forward to creating more training videos with this little creature and showing you kind of what it's like to work with a non-cooperative water monitor. This is Ember. She is my very special Axanthic water monitor from Nerd. The Axanthics tend to be a little bit smaller. She is CB, which is one of the rare things in the Axanthic water monitor, I guess, realm of finding a non-wild caught. She's a nerd water monitor, so she has been very socialized. This first time we've met. Hello. And we're working through some things, but she's an absolute joy to work with. I absolutely love her. She's very curious, very friendly, and I really hope to develop a great relationship with her. And of course, I love Axanthic. The Axanthic Salvators are super rare, and she's just going to be... I really look forward to the future of working with her and her genetics, and we're on the cusp of something really, really exciting right now. Even in the quarantine enclosures, I do provide UVB, which the mercury vapor bulbs provide heat, which water monitors need a lot of heat, about anywhere from 130 to 140 degree basking spot. I highly recommend using UVB for your monitors. Even though it's kind of a controversial subject, they have it in the wild, they're a basking species, might as well provide it in their box. You know, that's why I'm interested in advanced husbandry, because of bioactive UVB, a more natural environment for these animals that we keep in captivity. It's only fair.